This video is made possible thanks to the Pump Station and Nursery. Come visit us at 2727 Main Street in Santa Monica, California. You can also visit our website, pumpstation.com. This is Adam, the certified car seat technician with the Pump Station and Nursery and Infant Toddler Youth. And we're going to show you on the Doona how to buckle your child in the car seat correctly. And remember, before using your car seat, you always want to read your manual so that way you're familiar with how it works. Now there's two adjustments you need to know how to make on your Doona. Number one, you need to know how to loosen and tighten your straps. Located on the front of the car seat, you're going to see a gray button. That button will let you loosen it, and the strap that's hanging from the front will let you tighten it. So when you want to tighten, you're just going to pull, and when you want to loosen, you're going to hold the gray button with one hand, and then your other hand is going to pull away from the shoulder. If you loosen up one side, the other side will adjust with it. The straps always stay even. So tighten and loosen. The second adjustment feature is located on the back of the car seat. There are 3 different height positions that the shoulder straps can possibly be on. When you purchase your new car seat, it's going to start off at the lowest position for a newborn. As your child gets taller, you will have to move it up gradually. And what you want to look at is the very top of the baby's shoulder. Once their shoulder reaches level 2, it's time to move it to level 2. Once their shoulder reaches level 3, you're going to move it up to level 3. So don't move the straps until their shoulder reaches the next empty slot. When it is time to move it, you're going to want to loosen the straps all the way. You're going to turn the car seat around. And on the back of the chair here, you're going to see the 3 different height positions. And you're going to see the straps coming out from the bottom. So find the metal plate. The 2 shoulder straps are connected to it. You're going to disconnect them one at a time. You're going to pull it out from the front. And now you can feed it to the next level. Make sure the strap does not get twisted or tangled. The reason why you want to do these one at a time is that way when you're reconnecting the straps, you can follow the other one and make sure that it's being done properly. You want to make sure the straps don't go over the bar or over the wheels, because then the car seat will not be able to click into the base and you won't be able to turn it back to stroller mode. So make sure the harness goes underneath all the bars and wheels. We get it back to the metal plate, and then we reconnect it. And then once it's reconnected, you're going to do the same thing for the other side. But for our purposes, we're going to keep it at level 1 for newborn. There we go. So make sure the shoulder strap goes completely inside the metal plate. Make sure they're matched up so you know it's on there correctly. Okay. Your car seat also comes with 2 extra paddings, the body pillow and the head support. The head support can actually stay on the entire time the child's using the car seat. As long as they fit in the Doona, you can use the extra head support, because this actually adds extra side impact protection for the little one, so this will just keep growing with the child. The body pillow has a label on it, and Doona says that you can use this till approximately 11 pounds. Once they start getting too big for the pad, you can go ahead and just take it off. We're going to leave everything on for our practice purposes. And now that the car seat, you know how to use it, let's put the baby in. Step 1, loosen the straps. I'm going to hold the button, pull on the shoulder, get them as loose as possible. I'm going to grab my baby. Make sure to support their head and neck when you're setting them down in the car seat. Because the straps are loose, it's going to make it easier to get the straps over their shoulders. And now we can buckle in. The retainer clip, I like to do that first. That slides together. The metal clips are going to go over the child's legs and into the middle red buckle. There we are. Now that the baby's buckled in, we can begin to tighten the car seat. A lot of families will just pull on the tightening strap But if you only do that, it's only going to tighten on top of the baby's shoulders. It's still going to be loose around the legs. So what we recommend is, before pulling on the tightening strap, you want to tighten the legs first. So pull up on the leg slack. Make sure you do both sides. I'm going to move the retainer clip down temporarily. Our goal is to make sure we get all the slack from the legs up to the shoulder chest area. So that way when we do pull on the tightening strap, everything tightens up all at once. The way to know these are snug enough is with 2 fingers, you're going to pinch right on top of the baby's shoulder. If you can make a loop, then it's too loose. Keep tightening. If you can't pinch anything, that's perfect. If you're worried the straps are too tight, see if your finger can fit under the harness where the baby's shoulder is. So make sure you always check on top of the shoulder. No pinching, but a finger fits. Now that everything is snug, we're going to move the retainer clip all the way up. Make sure it's level with the baby's armpits, and it even says it on the retainer clip, place at armpit level. So every time you put baby in the car seat, you're going to do the same exact routine, and it will eventually become second nature. When you're ready to get them out of the car seat, you're going to loosen the straps all the way. That's going to make it easy to unbuckle them and get them out of the car seat. It also resets the car seat back to step 1. So when you're ready to use it again, it's already loose and out of the way. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow the Pump Station and Nursery on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All the details will be in the description below. See you in the next video.